In the Melbourne suburb of Thornbury, a classic Federation home once stood at odds with its surroundings. Despite its inner-city charm, the original structure suffered from disjointed interiors and a stubborn disconnect from the outdoors, cramming only 2 bedrooms into a floor plan that ignored its narrow site. Tasked with transforming this restricted space into a sanctuary for entertaining, Sibling Architecture embarked on a renovation that championed doing a lot with a little. By retaining the understated heritage facade and the front 2 rooms, the architects ensured an effortless transition from the historic streetscape into a modernized, light-filled interior. The heart of the transformation lies in a strategic opening of the home's footprint. A central corridor now draws the eye from the entryway toward a striking open staircase and the translucent glow of glass blocks at the rear. To overcome the challenges of close proximity neighbors and a modest budget, director Nicholas Braun focused on multifunctional spaces that prioritize social connection. Bifold glass doors now bridge the gap between the living room and a new timber deck, allowing the boundaries of the home to dissolve when guests arrive. This spatial fluidity not only addresses the client's love for hosting but also floods the previously dark corridors with much-needed natural light. Sustainability and site responsiveness define the home's renewed aesthetic. The interior palette, rich with soft oranges and deep greens, was specifically chosen to pull the garden's vibrancy indoors. In the kitchen, the use of Australian-made Laminex and hush pine serves as a mature nod to both the natural landscape and the decorative details of the original Federation era. By embracing a compact footprint and high-quality materials, a house together serves as a poignant response to the national housing crisis. It stands as a testament to the idea that responsible, thoughtful design doesn't require sprawling acreage to create a sense of lightness and belonging.